Recently, I accidentally put this charging cable and washed it with my shorts. I didn't realize it until I had actually put it in the dryer over here, and it dried the clothes completely. So, so I'd mentioned I left this in the dryer, and it dried the clothes. It looked okay and didn't feel wet or anything. So, as a precaution, I left it. Actually, I should just throw this away. I should probably just throw this away because these are only $1 or $2, and your phone's worth quite a lot if you have an iPhone. So there's a lightning cable. I let it dry for another day, and so here I'm gonna plug it in. So it's plugged in, and press the charger on, and it's charging surprisingly. So it's at 81% now. You can see over here. I'll come back in a few minutes to see where it's at, but it seems to be charging fine. Again, if you put your this is a generic lightning cable into the washer, and you end up actually using the dryer to dry it, which is pretty unsafe. It might still work in my case. I'm just want to show you anecdotally that it works in my case, and you probably wouldn't want to try this because you don't want to damage your electronics. That's number two main reason. You wouldn't want to ever try this, or even just try to make sure your cable can still be used, because it's just cheaper just to buy a new cable and not worry about this cable being damaged or damaging any of these electronics like the charger or the phone. But this charger's old, and this phone is old too, so that's the reason why I just wanted to try it out, just to try it out to see what it would do. The phone is probably worth only $20, and the charger here is worth like $5. So, anyways, long story short, it seems to be working. It was at 81%, now it's at 82%. It's doing its thing. It's been a few minutes. The charging cable still seems to be working, and it's at 85%. So, surprisingly, put this lightning cable, generic one, through the washer, accidentally dried it. And again, don't do this at home. And if you do, probably just throw away the cable and replace it, because it could damage either electronics. In my case, I just wanted to test it, and it works. It's charging. But who knows? It might only last a day or an hour. So there's a caveat. When you put things through abnormal conditions or conditions that it shouldn't be in, it could damage things, and you don't know when it might fail. So, over and out.